Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Yazan and this is Inara. Today's video is about gift unboxing. Let's check what is inside Inara's gift. Let's start cutting the box. Inara, do you know what is in this box? What? What? Inara, do you know what color will be the scooter? What?
Pink color.
We cut the tape of the box. Now let's open it and see.
Yay, my scooter.
Open this thing. Okay, let's put on the handle into the wheels. Yay! Look at Inara's scooter already fixed. So let's open my gift. Yay! It's open. It's a yellow scooter. Okay. Let's open this. Yes. Now let's open the bubble. Let's open this. Into this screw and just tighten. So now it's ready. So I was thinking of a ride with the scooter. Come, Inara. Let's ride our scooters.